I'm Vishal, and I'm gonna do a deck profile video on my Wave Striker deck today. So let's start with the deck profile then. So basically first I'm gonna show you all the creatures. Basically this is a creature control deck. So we'll be having very less spells, mostly creatures. My main objective in this deck is to build up enough field presence so that the opponent can, I can finish off the opponent very fast. It's kind of a rush deck too, and creature control as mentioned earlier. So let's start with the low mana creatures first. So firstly we have 4 Merrli the Oracle. It's a 2 mana, 1500 powered, 1500 plus powered Lightbringer and a Wave Striker. This sign basically shows that it's a Wave Striker, and its Wave Striker ability is that it gives Wave Striker abilities are activated when there are 3 Wave Strikers present on the field. So just in case it had to be mentioned. So when its Wave Striker ability gets activated, each of the creatures in your battle zone gets 1000 power. So we have Merrli the Oracle. Then we have 3 Gaunta. Basically I didn't have a Gaunta, so I had to make use of the alien version. So it's a 2 mana red fire creature, fire and nature creature of 4000 power. It's basically a vanilla card. Next is another Wave Striker card creature. It's an Uncanny Turnip, 2 mana, 1000 power. This is a very useful card. What you can do is, when you put this creature, and if there are 2 other Wave Strikers in the field already, then when you put this creature, then you can take put additional mana from the top of the deck, and then you can take a card from your mana zone into your hand. Sorry, no, into your hand, right? Into your hand, sorry. So basically what you can do is, it can also act as a draw card, because you can then take a card from your deck, put it in the mana zone, then take the same card in your hand. This is Uncanny Turnip. Then next comes the 3 mana. These were all 2 mana cards, 2 mana creatures. And then next comes 3 mana creatures, starting with Astra, Vizier of Safety. It's an initiate, first of all, it's a initiate, which I mentioned initiate specially because I'll tell you why. Then it's a 3 mana, 2000 power plus. What happens is, when its Wave Striker ability is activated, this creature gets additional 4000 power, that is, becomes a 6000 powered creature, and it becomes a blocker, and it can still attack them. So next comes Ninja Pumpkin. Basically there are I have kept 3 variations of this 3 mana 2000 power types. The next variation is Ninja Pumpkin. It's a nature card. It's a wild veggies. It's 3 mana 2000 plus same. It again gets 4000 plus power when its Wave Striker ability is activated, and its ability is that it cannot be blocked by any creature that has power 5000 or less. So it's a very useful card, because blockers mostly, even the Slayer blockers are usually less than 5000 power, and except Shoopskin and above, most creatures, and by the time Shoopskin comes, it has already made the damage. Next it's a very interesting card and a control card. It's a major card in this deck, that is Sapient Torque, Flame Dervish. It's a 3 mana 2000 variation again. It's a Wave Striker 2, and when its Wave Striker ability is activated, what it gets is the 4000 power, like Astra and Ninja Pumpkin, plus it gets an ability that it can attack untapped creatures. So basically whatever the opponent puts in the battle zone, you can counter it and destroy it immediately. Next we have a rainbow card, that's Lucia Lex, Pinnacle Guardian. It's a 3 mana 2500 powered creature. When this creature gets a power attacker of 3000, which makes it a 5500 power attacker, and at the end of the turn you can untap this creature. So basically it's pretty hard to destroy, except for spells and other stuff. Then another rainbow card is Sandfist. It's blocker, 3 mana, 3000 power, blocker come attacker. And its special ability is when this card gets discarded in your opponent's turn, you can automatically put it in the battle zone. So it's a very interesting card and very useful against like control decks which focus on discarding your opponent's hands. And then we have another rainbow card. By the way, this is the Initiate 2. This is the Initiate and this is the Initiate 2. This is Sky Sword, Savage Vizier. It's the Initiate and Beast Folk. This was the Initiate and a Beast Folk too, Sandfist. And it's a 5 mana 2000 powered creature. And special ability is that it adds a shield and a mana zone. So this is a variation of those types of creatures like Galek, then Estol. So these variations have two kinds of abilities based on each civilizations. Like Estol has a water and light. So what it does is it increases the shield that is due to the light factor, and for the water part it lets you see an opponent's shield. And then like Galek, what it does is it destroys a blocker for the fire effect and it discards because of the darkness effect. So this has a light and a nature effect which increases the shield and increases the mana. So and it's an Initiate 2. Basically I'm telling this Initiate part because I'll tell you later what comes. Then another 5 mana Wave Striker is a Flame Trooper Goliath. It's a 5 mana 4000 powered creature. I have put 2 of them in my deck. And what it does is when its Wave Striker ability gets activated, when you put this creature into the battle zone, you may destroy one of your opponent's creature that has power 5000 or less. So mainly you can destroy a blocker or a attacker, small attackers, and you can destroy blockers with this. When you put this is destroyed. Then we have a very useful card in this deck which makes this deck very, the basic draw power of this deck is Mistria, Sonic Guardian. What it does is, everybody knows what it does actually. When it is in the battle zone, when any of the players summons a creature, like you can draw a card. So it's like major draw power. Then comes, these were the creatures for this deck, and now we move on to evolution creatures. And I have got only 2 evolution creatures in this, two evolutions in this deck, and that is Crazed Valkyrie the Drastic. This is why I was like focusing on initiates. We have initiates like Asra, then we have initiates like Sandfist and Sky Sword, which can be evolved to Crazed Valkyrie the Drastic. What it does is it's a 6 mana 7500 powered creature, a double breaker, and when it is summoned, the opponent's 2 creatures get stacked. So it's a very useful card. You can like tap 2 blockers and then go for the shields. And now comes the spells, which is very less in number, but because we need them, like shield triggers and stuff, so we have it. Starting with 2 mana spells, that is, first is Crimson Hammer. It's a good card. In the beginning of your turns, you need to destroy small creatures, then you can do it with a Crimson Hammer. Now there's this charger variation of Crimson Hammer, that is Volcano Charger, which does the same thing but has a mana of 4 because it's a charger and goes to the mana zone. But due to cost effectiveness, I have put 2 of Crimson Hammer here. And then there is Rain of Arrows. Like you can look at your opponent's hand and discard all the darkness spells from it. It is very useful since you have it's a creature control deck, and since if you need to get rid of cards like Proclamation of Death, then Terror Pit and Death Smoke and like Dark Reversal and stuff, or Cranium Clamp and stuff, then you can, this card comes very handy. But I've put only 1 of this because I don't usually use it. And there is Searing Wave. See, this usually comes to play when you're facing another creature swarm deck, or decks which focus on field presence. So it basically destroys all creature that has, opponents, all of the creatures which has power 3000 or less, but you have to sacrifice a shield for it. So this is Searing Wave. And then finally, there are 4 Holios in my deck. It's a very effective shield trigger, and it's a game changer basically. And if you have this much of field presence in the game, and this one of these babies comes in the shield, then you can really turn the tide against any army. So that's it, guys. My Beast Striker creature control deck. Catch you soon.